Hi everybody, second vlog for December. I know I'm only doing one vlog a month, but this is important because I want to say a thank you because it's that time of year to thank all of our friends, to be kind to people that are suffering and going through a lot. Holidays are tough on a lot of people, so in order to cheer you guys up, remember I've got my giveaway and I've got everybody's name in here. And I'm going to pull the winners from my giveaway. I've started packaging the packages that are going out, and these are some of the things that are going in there. I've got stencils. I've got these really nice stencils that are going in there, and I've got all kinds of my own art, that I'm making. I've got napkins. I've got buttons and flowers and papers and stickers and ribbon. Rubber stamps. Yeah, I've got rubber stamps here. I forgot. I've got a rubber stamp set for each one of the 4 people that I'm pulling out of here. So, yeah, we've got a nice package that's getting mailed out, and I just wanted you to know that if your name didn't get in this drawing, I will be doing another drawing once I reach my goal of 5,000. So let's just pull some names out of here, all right? So the first one that I pull here is, let me look at this one. This is for Verifee. Oh, Fia, you are one of my best followers, so I'm so glad that you are a winner of one of these packages. So, yeah, that's the first one. Let me grab another one. Sylvia Greco, another one of my great followers. There you go, Sylvia. Verifee. One more. Let's grab. Oops. This is for Debbie Bonner. Oh my gosh. It's like old friends week. All my friends' names are coming up here. And that's what it's like when you have a community, when people start following you and you start talking with people. It's really kind of fun like that. So I just want to say that this is the way to go, guys. This is the way to form your group. So the last one of the 4 is Linda. Hello, Linda Redflower. So those are the 4 people. Now you just need to get in touch with me with your address. You can private message me, and I'll get these packages out to you. But I'm going to get these wrapped up. I'm going to save those names because those are the people I'm sending to. And this stuff is going into these envelopes, and it's going to get mailed out to you. So just message me. Some of you are in some of the groups that I'm in on Facebook. You can message me there. I'll put the email link that you can send things to down below. And yeah, I'm so happy that these are my friends that I get to send things out to. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about today is on Art Joy is Sharing, which is, we have a channel, Art Joy is Sharing. Shell and I do our live show on that channel, but we also have a Facebook group. And in that Facebook group for the new year, what I want to do is to promote you guys. I want to promote small channels. I want to get the word out about, the other people that you should be following. I want to share art practices. I've got several artists that have already volunteered to do some videos for the group, and I'm going to start making some videos that are more teaching related, that are focusing on some of the products that maybe you guys want to know more about, because we have a lot of newbies in our midst that are just really interested in what we're doing, but haven't done this as long as we have. And I want to share the wealth of information that we have out here. So I'll be putting a file in Art Joy is Sharing with all the video links from the different teachers, the teacher content that will be coming in. There will be at least monthly content, depending on how many people sign up to join me in this quest. And yeah, we'll be talking about basic things. But going back to where I started from today, it is the holiday season, and no matter where you are and what's going on, it's a stressful time for people. So remember to be kind. We don't know what those other people are going through or what they have faced, whether it's, that they have depression or PTSD or some type of illness, or just the list goes on and on and on. And try to remember to, in your giving, that you remember those that are less fortunate than us. Right now, if you don't know where to help out, on my other channel, which is Intervals of Sanity, we do have a fundraiser for ovarian cancer. So if you're interested in, maybe, somebody doesn't need a gift, but you need to give them something, make a donation on their behalf. That would be great. I appreciate you. I love you all so much. I can't wait to get these things in the mail and to get them to you. So contact me, guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.